Symantec Control Compliance Suite 12.5's public REST APIs enable you to automate key tasks and workflows in Control Compliance Suite. You can automate tasks such as creating jobs, searching and managing assets and standards, running compliance scans, generating evaluation results, and integrating Control Compliance Suite remediation tickets with your ticketing system to complete the remediation workflow. Why REST APIs? Symantec Control Compliance Suite 12.5 REST APIs help you achieve various use cases that involve automation and integration with existing workflows. You can automate the compliance assessment of your IT environment by using these APIs. If you have adopted agile development methodologies and are building applications in a DevOps environment, these APIs help you automate the assessment of application builds at all stages of the pipeline. For leveraging compliance assessments enterprise-wide and to promote broader adoption, you can build and enable self-service portals around these REST APIs. Managed service providers can build compliance-as-a-service offerings by using these REST APIs. Enterprises that do security analytics can use APIs to get compliance and misconfiguration data from Control Compliance Suite and use that data for advanced analytics and reporting. The REST API support is built upon a strong foundational layer of security, which includes support for TLS 1.2 communication with REST endpoints, role-based access control for API consumers, OAuth 2.0 token usage for authentication, and concurrent limits on the number of API calls to restrict the possibility of a distributed denial of service attack. These REST APIs use standard HTTPS features and HTTPS response codes. The APIs return data in JSON and XML file formats. To use Control Compliance Suite REST APIs, you must first generate an authentication token and use it in the subsequent API calls. For detailed information about the Control Compliance Suite REST APIs, refer to the following URL. You can achieve some of the key use cases in Control Compliance Suite by using REST APIs. For example, to run the configuration assessment on computers that are registered with Control Compliance Suite, you can use APIs such as create asset, search standards, create job, job operation, update job, and get evaluation reports. To manage your assets, you can use APIs such as create asset, search assets, search asset group, and delete asset. To manage technical standards, you can use the search standards and the delete standards APIs. To manage jobs, you can use APIs such as search job by ID, search job by name, and delete job. To integrate the Control Compliance Suite remediation ticket details with your ticketing system, use the REST APIs for remediation service. Our REST API specialists are working on many more APIs, which will be added to the list very soon. So get ready for a seamless automation experience with Control Compliance Suite 12.5 REST APIs. That's all we have in this Introduction to Symantec Control Compliance Suite REST APIs video. Watch Demo on how to use Symantec Control Compliance Suite REST APIs and get started.